So boom, I'm coming back with another video, of course. I mean, because why else would we be here? And she is something slight, something cute, something that we all need in our wardrobe. Just like you need a little black dress, you need a long curly wig. So today's hair is from WestKissHair. I have done videos for them before. So yeah. Hey WestKiss, thanks for believing in your girl. But I'm not gonna lie, my favorite curly hair, they were actually, sorry, it's hair all over me. The hair was actually bundles that I made into a wig, snapped on the frontal, snapped on the plucking, snapped on the bleaching, all of that. And it's like my favorite. Don't mind my fingers, my hands. I was dyeing some hair earlier. But snapped on all of that, and she's like a stain. I always get so many compliments on her. She's such a great time, but I wear her a lot, so I think like I need to switch it up. And this is the switch up, but we'll get to that. So in the box came lashes, elastic, a satin bag, and then how to wash your wig and care for your wig instructions. Yes. So sis is a nice juicy length. Did I bleach this myself? I think I did. Did I bleach this? I had to. Cause I did a little bit much over here, but we'll fix that. Anyways, so this is the curl pattern. She is 24 inches and she's super effing thick. Now, what I think I'm gonna do with this is, the other day I was scrolling through my oh, look at that. Hold on, we gotta get a thumbnail. Hold on, wait. Chill out, exposure. I don't need it to be like that. The curls though. Come on, chill out on the exposure. It's pissing me off. Okay, so yeah. Other day I was on my Explore page, and I love to be on the Explore page because I always am looking for the next like hairstyle that I could do. And I seen a girl with some long, thick, curly hair, but it was off to the side. And it was a cute little moment. It was only a side part. I know. But it was real cute for Kia. So that's what I'm thinking about doing. And it's just so thick. I'm loving it. I did bleach my knots. I bleached the knots, right? Yeah, I did bleach these knots. I did. That's why I wasn't in like plastic bag, because it does come in a plastic bag. Baby, look.
When you have so much hair that you just can't even remember.
So this is the hair completely dry. She's super thick. And I am going to show you her wet. But like, yes. This is going to last a long time because just look at her. I know. So I need to cut off the lace, and hold on, let me show you the hairline before we get the cutting and snipping, because the hairline looks lit. You see that? Okay, boom. So I'm about to cut the lace and wet her down. And wait, this is just such a vibe though. Like, I can't even. Yeah, I'm gonna cut the lace though, so I'll be back. One thing I'm gonna say this once, and I'm gonna only say it one time. This is cute. Like, it kind of makes me want to leave it in this like messy kind of look, but I'm gonna be a man of my word and do the side part like I said. But I just wanted y'all to peep the vibe, peep the look. It's really thick, so she is definitely gonna last quite some time. And winter's around the corner, you know, sis. I look so cute. So she's kind of like, she doubles as a blanket and a slash coat. So it's 3 in 1, a wig, coat, and a blanket. Don't we love that? We love that for us. Love that for you, love that for me, love that for us.
Look at all this hair.
Still here, still haven't wet the hair. I'm just like really feeling this. Big Shaka Khan vibes. The only thing I do want to point out is the lace is like not, I don't know what kind of lace it is actually, but it's kind of like ashy looking, so I'm dropping stuff. I'm going to have to put some concealer on it. Not concealer, foundation. What am I talking about? Because you see how I just look a little ashy. So not a big deal, just wanted to point that out. I'm not sure what kind of lace this is. Maybe I should look. But yeah, still in love with the hair. And she's about to get wet up. If I don't come back with this wig wet, treat me in the comments, okay? Okay, so she's wet now. Still not glued down, but she's wet. Ooh, this water's cold. So this is how long she hangs when she's wet. And I am going to, since this is a lot of hair, I'm going to put some condition, sis. Especially at the ends. Keep them curls locked together. And then we're gonna brush her nice and cute, nice and right, nice and tight. And yeah, I love to use cheek conditioner in my hair as well as my curly hair, just because I use a lot of sis, you know. I just like overdo it with the condition, you know. You get it? You understand? Okay, great. So putting that all through the hair, and then we can start with the install. It's actually not going to be that hard. You know, I've installed wigs several times before, but it's going to look something like this once I'm done, because I'm going to do a side part. So I think I'm going to record this part because you've seen me install several wigs. So look at the curls though, for the girls, baby. Girl, stop playing with her. Stretched out, she's long as hell. This is way longer than the 24 inch, I'm just saying. Oh, look at that bounce. Look at that bounce back. Look. Period. Period. Okay, let me install her and we'll come back and I'll give you my final thoughts. Kind of cute. Okay, so we did tack her down, and I love this hair wet. Like, she just is giving me a whole lot of body. A whole lot of body. Look. Boom. 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 And I definitely like to brush through my curly hair when it's wet, just to define the curls just a little bit more. But yeah, look at sis. Period. She looks very cute. She's super flat. And I did my braids. Girl, I look cute. And I did my braids really, really flat too, so that's definitely another key factor. I would definitely recommend you do your braids super flat with this wig, just because it's already super big, so you don't want to be walking around looking super crazy, you know what I'm saying, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I love how this lays. This is definitely Scalpiana. Where you at? And yeah, let me push it off to the back so you can see the length. So 24 inches wear. That's just period, because usually, like, excuse me, shorter, I mean curly hair looks shorter because like they measure it when it's straight. So since it's curly, it's gonna be shorter, blah blah blah. But this looks like a solid 24 when it's curly. But yeah, I'm looking real cute, real beach babe kind of period, and that's just that. Yeah, so if you did want to pick up this wig, everything on sis will be in the description box. If you do pick this wig up, let them know that Kiamani sent you, baby. Period. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Scalpiana.